Hi, I'm Austin Zimmerman with Sawblade.com and welcome back to our hands-on series. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Trajan 125, Sawblade.com's 5-inch portable bandsaw. Now that we've got our 125 out of the box, let's go through the contents. So we have our Trajan 125, a set of rubber feet to be installed on the bottom of your machine, and a part stop. The part stop allows you to cut multiple amount of parts to the same length rapidly. Before we get sawing, let's go over some machine setup. First, you're going to notice that your trigger handle is in the downward position. This is done to keep the machine safe during shipment. With the assistance of a 3mm Allen key, we're going to rotate our handle to the upward position and tighten it down at the stop. Next, let's go over the motor breaker. When you plug your machine in and you pull down on the trigger handle and you turn the machine on, you'll notice that the blade will not kick on and no power is going to the motor, due to the fact that the breaker is in the off position. To turn the machine on, click the green button, you will hear a noticeable click. Now you have power going to the machine. If you'd like to leave the machine plugged in but turn the motor off, you can hit the red button to disconnect the power from the motor. Both the Trajan 125 and 150 series machines have a variable speed motor from 1 to 6, allowing you to decrease and increase the blade speed to tackle a variety of different applications. Next, let's go over guide arm adjustment. The guide arm can be slid in or out depending on the size of the material that we're cutting. When you slide it closer to the part, this allows you to cut more accurately when cutting smaller diameter material. When you slide it out, now you can cut larger diameter material with the same accuracy. Lastly, let's go over the miter scale on the 125. Both the 125 and 150 series Trajan machines have a 0 to 60 degree large miter scale. That's in 1 degree increments to allow you to cut a lot more accurately. And it's done on a head swivel. That way that you don't have to sacrifice space in a workshop, you can swivel the head and not swivel the material when you're cutting angles. Now your machine is properly set up and you can start the cutting process. I'm Austin Zimmerman with Sawblade.com and thank you for watching our hands-on series. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.